Welcome to the Painting Padawan channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a quick and easy Black Templar. First I dry brushed Incubi darkness over the whole model. Wraithbone for the shoulder pads and his hair. Gorthor brown over all the cloth. Mephiston red for the gun casing. Leadbelcher on all the metal bits of the gun. Null oil for shading the metal bits of the gun. I used Wraithbone and skeleton horde as a blend on the shoulder pads. Throllslayer orange for the neck tubes. And flash gitz yellow as a highlight. Abbadon black for the Templar cross. Cadian fleshtone for the skin and as an edge highlight to the cloth. Reikland fleshshade for shading the skin. Cadian fleshtone as an highlight. Black-green from Vallejo for the base. Agrellan earth on top of the black-green. And here we have it, nice and easy. Hope you enjoyed it, and please smash that like button.